good morning to all of you. Now the time is, good afternoon. Now the time is 2:30 in the afternoon in Paris. As you know that we are in Paris, one of the most beautiful city in the world and also known as the most romantic city in the world. And today, about 20 of us, we had a chance to come over all the way from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia to Paris in France. And after a couple of days in Paris, we'll be leaving to Nice, which is another city in far south in France, which is just next to Monte Carlo in Monaco. You can see such a beautiful scenery here. We are on the water cruise, which is known as the river cruise, the popular cruise in France, especially in Paris. And you can see the structure of the buildings, which is so unique. And the history of Paris is more than 400 years. And the cruise is also known as the most romantic cruise, whereby a lot of couples will be coming down here to celebrate their wedding ceremony or maybe wedding anniversary. In Keling International, as what all of us, we had a chance to come for almost 12,000 kilometers far away from Kuala Lumpur because we fight for it. In Keling International, all the impossible things will become possible because as you know that today, all the Crown Ambassadors, Senior Crown Ambassadors and Royal Crown Ambassadors, we are here. Okay, we have joined the overseas trip incentive together with Keling International. So in order for you to become successful and to have the chance, like how we had a chance to travel, go all out, go for it, be the best out of yourself, be more integrated, be more dedicated, be more committed, okay, aim for the goal, strive for the best. Everybody has got an equal chance to achieve whatever they want in life. Everything is possible. Just set in your mind, okay? Believe is the ultimate secret of becoming successful, because every human being in this world who are very successful, they believe in themselves. One of the best examples is a great warrior of this French country who's known as Napoleon Bonaparte. Okay, maybe you heard about Napoleon Bonaparte. He's the greatest warrior and a great emperor. Okay, how he could capture a lot of countries throughout Europe is simply because he believed in himself. So when we believe in ourselves, everything is going to become very, very possible. You can see such a beautiful scenery, a beautiful environment, okay, a nice weather. The weather is very cold, it's just simply shivering, okay. But we can enjoy all these things. You can experience all these things. And one of the best channels for us to achieve all these things is through Keling International and simply through Keling International. Grab the opportunity, fight for the best, okay. See you next year in Russia. Never again lose this great opportunity. Wish you all the guys, see you at the top with Keling International, with all our board of directors. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank to our great man, great leader, our group managing director, Dr. Darren Goh. Okay, unfortunately he couldn't make it to this trip together with us, but we're also very happy because another great man, our group executive director, Dr. Lawrence Yap, and Dante is also together with us in this wonderful trip. Okay, so spend your wonderful time with all the greatest successful people in Keling International. Gain this great opportunity and see you at the top. Wish you all the best. Yes, Keling.
Comment ist der Gefunden sulla sorpresa desesperante? Bei uns die romantischste Brücke von Paris, sie heißt Montmartre.